أهلا وسهلا. يا هلا بكم. إن شاء الله we're gonna have a chicken maqlooba with curry today.
Yeah.
And that's all the ingredients.
Chicken maqlooba, what's that?
Chicken maqlooba was that. That's right. It's layers of the chicken and potato, eggplant, rice, and the flavor is gonna
Maqlooba means upside down.
Upside down.
So we have the layers of potato, eggplant, and egg at the base of it, and then your rice, and then you're like cooking it and then flipping it upside down when it's cooked and eating it.
You're gonna surprise.
Yeah.
You're going to surprise.
It tastes really nice, but we're making it different to the usual Arab one today. We're adding curry powder, right?
Yep.
Yummy curry powder. We like this one, so we think you should try it. It tastes like delicious. So do you want to go through the ingredients?
Yes. We're gonna have rice, sunrise.
Medium grain rice.
Yes, medium.
Medium grain rice.
Yes, and that chicken is Maryland, flat Maryland. If you would like to use the breast, it's up to you. But always I like this kind of chicken.
Yeah, I prefer Maryland as well. It doesn't get as dry as
it's
the
actually it tastes nice more. And eggplant.
We've just sliced it and we fried it. Yeah.
Yes. Fried eggplant.
Yeah, I'm just going to show you. We just sliced it quite thinly, and you sprinkle a bit of salt on it and let it sit for a little bit, and then you fry it in some oil.
Yes. And fried two potato. Sliced two.
So I'll show you. Just sliced potato that we've fried. Yeah.
Yep.
What else?
And diced onion. That's mixed with the chicken. We'll be seeing now after. That's a diced
we use the food processor for it, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's just easier for us. If you want to dice it by hand, it's fine, but we just put it in the food processor and pulse until it's like small pieces, like it's diced.
And wedges onion, which is that I put it at the first level in the bottom of the pot.
Yes. And what else? The spices, curry powder.
Curry and black pepper and salt too. And we're gonna use the butter mixed with the oil.
Is this butter or ghee?
Sorry, ghee.
Ghee. We're using ghee. We like to use ghee because traditionally in Egypt they used to use ghee. You can use butter if you like.
Or can you make it just with oil?
Yeah.
Or just with ghee or butter? It's up to you.
Any oil you like. We're just using rice bran. It's pretty much finished, but we're using rice bran. We also you can use canola oils, sunflower oil, olive oil if you like. Oil. We don't really like the flavor of olive oil, so we're using our rice bran oil, and that's it. Okay guys, these are the ingredients. We're going to get started now. By the way, all our videos have the ingredients in the description box below, because we've had a few comments saying, oh, what do we need? What's the ingredients? Just open the description box. You'll see all the ingredients, and we also have it in Arabic for those who want to read from different countries and need it in Arabic. We have our ingredients in Arabic as well. So we're going to get started now. Okay, we'll see you after. Bye.
Hi guys, so we're going to start off by cooking our chicken. Here we add our ghee and oil to a pan over medium to high heat. We then add our chicken and our diced onion. We give that a good stir, and we then add our salt and pepper and our curry powder. Keep stirring that occasionally until the chicken is cooked through. Once your chicken is cooked, you can now start layering your maqlooba. We start with bringing our pot or rice cooker pot and layering our first layer of onion. We then follow it by our chicken layer, then by our fried potato layer and our fried eggplant layer. Once we've added our eggplant, we can now add our rice. With the rice, we've just washed it several times and then we add it to our maqlooba. To prepare the water for the rice, you have to add your salt and a bit of oil to the water and dissolve it very well first. You cannot add the salt and the water straight to the rice and mix it, obviously, because it will wreck the layers for the maqlooba. So we make sure we add the salt and just a bit of oil and dissolve it really well before we add that to our maqlooba pot. Once you've added your water to the rice, you can now start to cook it. We're using a rice cooker, so we just set it on regular rice and we press start. If you're going to do it in a pot, you'd cook it like the absorption method, so you put it on a medium to high heat, allow it to reach a boil, and then lower it all the way down and cover it with a lid until the rice is cooked. Okay, so once the rice is cooked, you then have to just let it cool down for a little bit. So as I've mentioned, we didn't let ours cool down in the pot. We kind of just rushed to flip it, but you should let yours cool so that it holds its shape before you flip it upside down. So try to use a big serving plate or something bigger than your pot so you have some grip, and then pretty much just hold it well and flip it over so that you can get that upside down maqlooba.
Alright guys, welcome back. We finished the maqlooba and this is how it looks like. It looks delicious, to be honest. It smells amazing. Should we try?
Yes, I will. I didn't wait for it to say.
If anything stuck inside the pot or rice cooker, if you're using a rice cooker, just take it off and put it on top. Also, I don't know if we mentioned, but we use the rice cooker today. It's just, we find it easier and we don't have to keep checking on it. But you can make the exact same recipe in a pot on the stove, okay? So yeah. Let's try. Smell good.
Wait.
Why is that?
I love Maqlooba. Guys, share.
So good. It's delicious. You know what? This is mine for dinner. Sorry, you're not taking it. I was gonna make dinner tonight for my family, but I'm just gonna use this. She thought she was gonna take it, but it's so good.
It's not fair.
It smells amazing as well. Oh gosh, I'm really hungry. I haven't had anything to eat today, so this is like going down a treat. But yeah, we hope you guys try this recipe and let us know what you think. It's easy, and it's the only hard part is flipping it over. So make sure you get a big serving plate and just try and do the flip over without dropping it everywhere. But other than that, it's really easy to make,
so
and it comes
easy,
together and it tastes great.
And I wish you like my recipe and enjoyed. See you next time in another video, inshallah.
Inshallah. Bye. See ya.
طب يا اختي يلا بقى اتكل على الله عشان انا ما فطرتش.